Welcome back to House of Miracles Learning Adventures channel. Today we will learn about plurals. Do you know how to say the plural of a noun? Let's begin. When a word ends with a consonant, we add the letter S at the end of the nouns. A pen, pens, a chair, chairs, a cup, cups, a window, windows, a door, doors. An ear, ears, 2 ears. This is an ear, these are ears. A waterfall, a lot of waterfalls. This is a waterfall, there are a lot of waterfalls. A quince, 4 quinces. This is a quince, these are 4 quinces. Take the quiz now, good luck. A button. Did you say buttons? These are 3 buttons. A lizard. Did you say lizards? These are 3 lizards. A yarn. Did you say yarns? These are 6 yarns. A nut. Did you say nuts? There are a lot of nuts. A sock. Did you say socks? There are 3 pairs of socks. A ring. Did you say rings? There are 2 rings. A crab. Did you say crabs? There are 3 crabs. A mug. Did you say mugs? These are 3 mugs. A fan. Did you say fans? These are 4 fans. A jar. Did you say jars? These are 4 jars. A pillow. Did you say pillows? These are 2 pillows. A uniform. Did you say uniforms? These are 2 uniforms. An island. Did you say islands? These are islands. A grasshopper. Did you say grasshoppers? There are 6 grasshoppers. An alarm. Did you say alarms? There are 4 alarms. A drum. Did you say drums? These are drums. Hey, you've learned how to say more than one, a lot, many of something. Well done. For more educational videos, subscribe to our channel and keep learning.